I have one of the prettiest affordable drugstore blushes that I've tried in a long time, but I'm also going to show you how I use two different colors for our mature skin. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. If you're new here, I'm 56 and I love bringing you affordable makeup that works for our mature skin and super simple makeup tips. So today we're going to talk about blush. I got these gorgeous NYX Buttermelt blushes. These are so pretty and they give you several choices to choose from. And I got one of the lightest colors. This is Butter Together. So it's one of the lightest colors. And then I chose another color that I thought was more in the medium range, but it's a little bit brighter than what I prefer. So I'm going to share with you a great blush tip. If you get a color that's not quite right for you, we're going to make it work so that we get our money's worth. This tip will work well with these two blushes because they're both in the same color family. If this one was a little bit more orange and this one was a little bit more pink, might not work as well. So the problem is this one here, number 6 for the Butter, just a little too deep, a little too berry for my taste. But because they're in the same color family, rather than just have a one-dimensional look, we're going to use this to give my face a little bit of depth. So let me show you how I'm going to use this, and everything that I'm going to use will be down in the description below this video. The brush that I'm going to use for this blush is from Sigma Beauty. It's the F40, and I do have a good discount code for you. It's one of the few things that I spend a little money on are makeup brushes. I'm going to take this darker color and just focus on the outside of my face. By putting the darker color here, like I said, it gives my face a little dimension, but it also kind of helps thin out my face or give the appearance that my face is a little thinner. I'll take that. You don't need a lot of this. There is a huge color payoff for this. So even though this is super affordable, it absolutely performs like a high-end blush. Again, did not use a whole lot of this. Since I kept the darker color right on the edge of my face, I'm going to use the lighter color to give me some brightness, to bring some light to my eyes. So I'm going to focus that right in the middle underneath my eyes and just kind of blend that in. And then just to marry the look together, I'm going to put a little of this across the bridge of my nose and just above my eyes. Since I don't normally wear a lot of eyeshadow, I like putting just a little bit on my brow bone just to tie the whole look together. But can you see how using the two colors really gives you your money's worth and kind of corrects a mistake? If you get one and you just go, oh gosh, that is a little too much for me. I cannot do that. You can use the darker color to give yourself some depth and then use the lighter color just to bring light and life to your face, especially under your eyes when we tend to be losing color in our mature skin. I hope this was helpful, and if you like super simple makeup tips, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.